Hello Clashers. Only the top 5% can get a perfect score. Are you up for the challenge? Which animal can live on farms and in homes? Which animal lays eggs but cannot fly? What animal can remember faces for years? Which bird is often confused with a goose? Which animal has no upper front teeth? Which farm animal has rectangular pupils? Which animal has excellent hearing and floppy ears? What male animal on the farm doesn't lay eggs? What animal communicates using grunts and squeals? What do clownfish live in for protection? Type your answer in the comments below. Correct answers will be pinned at the top.